In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the match and move transition in Canva. This simple effect connects two pages so your graphics glide, resize, rotate, or even change color between them, creating a polished professional look without complicated keyframes. Start by opening your design in Canva. You can use a presentation, a video, or any multi-page design. On your first page, lay out all the elements you want to animate: shapes, images, logos, or text. Keep each item as its own object on the canvas. That makes it easier for Canva to recognize what should move later. Think of this first page as your starting pose. Next, duplicate the page so Canva has an identical second frame to compare. On the page thumbnail in the timeline, click the three dots and select Duplicate Page. This is important because Match and Move looks for the same elements on both pages. Duplicating ensures names and properties line up behind the scenes. Now click onto the second page and make your changes. Move elements to new positions, scale them up or down, rotate them, or tweak colors for a stylistic shift. Small adjustments create subtle motion. Bigger changes make bold, dynamic transitions. For the cleanest result, avoid deleting an element on one page and not the other. Canva will then fade it in or out instead of matching its movement. With your two pages ready, hover between them in the timeline until you see the plus icon. Then click Add Transition. From the Transition menu, choose Match and Move. Canva will analyze both pages and automatically animate each matching object from its first state to its second. Adjust the duration to control the pace. A shorter duration feels snappy and energetic. A longer one feels smooth and cinematic. Play with the timing until it matches the mood of your project or the beat of your audio. When you are ready, preview the result by clicking play. Watch how every element travels from its position on page 1 to its new spot on page 2 in one seamless motion. If anything looks off, check that the object appears on both pages and that you modified the same item rather than replacing it with a new upload. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.